the first thing that I'm going to do, let's say, first thing first, you need to install a couple of the package. The package that I'm going to install now, they are the, sorry, there is a, I need to fix that. There was a one. This package you are installing here essentially two package. One package that you are installing is the TensorFlow.js package. That's the basic package that you have to install when you want to train. We are not going to train here artificial neural network, but suppose that you want to train your own artificial neural network, you need to install this package. But here you're going to stop because it's a kind of dependency. The second one that you are installing is a package of toxicity. Toxicity. Sorry, I'm having problem to say this word. But this word toxicity is the pre-trained artificial neural network that you are trained in deep learning. It is part of an international competition. In general, Google organizes kind of competition. So you do not have to train, just have to use it. So this course about how to use, not how to train. Maybe in the future I may bring you some kind of course, but remember that the training process is very hard. Generally, you have to make sure that it's well trained. You have to make sure that the data set's not biased. You have to make sure that it is already normalized. So the training stage of artificial network may be as challenging as developing the artificial network. Now, here I'm going to teach you just how to use it. It's already available online publicly by Google, by the Google, they call it, like to call it Google Brain. But here I'm going just to use this, just the best part. So if you want to check if it's already installed, you can come here and see it's installed. It's here. So just for you to make sure that's already installed, it's here. So there is no big problem.